Hello and welcome to Sonia's cookbook. Today we are making Golgappa puri or the Pani Puri. So let's get started. We take 1 cup of fine Sooji into a bowl. To that we add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon of fine rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, and blend it well. To this we add half a cup of water, and exactly 2.5 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. Cover and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Knead this for around 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes nice and smooth. We take a little bit portion of the dough. We'll keep it covered and keep it aside. So the dough won't be sticky, it will be nice and soft. The thickness is just like the roti dough. You can see the thickness. So we make portions with the help of this cup. Take off the extra dough. Bring the temperature on medium high and add the rolled dough to the hot oil. Once the puris puff up, bring down the temperature to medium-low and fry the puris on low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Transfer the puris onto a plate lined with a tissue paper. Fry the remaining puris. Crust will be nice and crispy. The few flat puris can be used for chaat papdi. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.